TOEFL Complete Guide and Success Tips with Valencia Najwa Elgitasya. Before we dive into the details, let's first look at the table of contents. This will guide us through the key section for preparing for the TOEFL exam. Each part will provide you with important information and tips to help you success in the test. First, Introduction to TOEFL. Second, TOEFL test structure. Third, key topics to study. Fourth, tips and strategies for TOEFL. Fifth, TOEFL study resources. And lastly is motivation and conclusion. First, we will talk about the introduction of TOEFL. What is TOEFL? TOEFL stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language is a standardized test to measure the English proficiency of a person whose native language is not English and who aims to work or study in a country where English is an official language. Basically, it's a test to measure your English skill, especially if you want to study, work, or apply for scholarship abroad. Next, we will discuss the types of TOEFL. There are several types of TOEFL. First is PBT or paper-based test. PBT is a more traditional format. Next is IBT, internet-based test. IBT is an online test that is most often used to apply for overseas universities. Last is ITP, institutional test program, usually used for local needs or specific institution. The score for overseas university usually a minimum of 80 to 100 for IBT, but it depends on the institution too. Okay, next is purpose of TOEFL. Purpose of TOEFL is to assess the English language proficiency of non-native English speakers. Now we will talk about the TOEFL test structure. There are 5 structures of the TOEFL test. The first one is listening section. The types of questions are conversation, like lectures and discussions. Tips for working on it are focused on keywords. The second is reading section. The types of questions are main idea, details, and inference. Tips for working on it are skim the text before answering. Next is the writing section. The questions are independent and integrate essays. The format is introduction, body, and conclusion. Then, speaking section for IBT. The type is independent and integrate tasks. Tips for working on it are to speak casually but clearly. The last one is structure and written expression for PBT or ITP is focused on grammar. Now, let's talk about the essential subject you'll need to study to success in the TOEFL. We'll focus on 3 case areas. The first one is grammar. The importance of understanding English grammar rules and how they apply to the test. The second is vocabulary. Vocabulary is building a strong vocabulary to help you understand and answer questions accurately. The last is pronunciation. Tips to improve your pronunciation, especially for the speaking section, to ensure your response are clear and understandable. Okay, now we will discuss about tips and strategies for TOEFL. In this section, we'll cover valuable tips and strategies to help you perform well during the test. These strategies include: the first one is time management. How to manage your time effectively during each section of the exam. Second is reading instruction carefully. Why it's important to read all instructions thoroughly before answering questions. The third is keywords focus. How identifying keywords in question and reading passage can help you find the correct answer faster. The last one is practice with simulations. The importance of taking practice tests and simulation to prepare yourself for the real exam experience. Here we go over the best resources available to help you prepare for TOEFL. From books to apps and websites, there are many tools you can use to enhance your study experience. We'll also look at where you can find practice tests that simulate the real exam conditions. And now we finally come to the end of the discussion, which is about motivation and conclusion. Consistency is key. Remember, TOEFL preparation is not an instant thing. Make time every day, even if it's only 30 to 60 minutes. Keep the spirit, never give up, even if it feels difficult at first. With practice, the desired score can definitely be achieved. Believe in your own abilities and use all the resources available to help us learn TOEFL. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you next time.